Are you tired of boring presentations? Do your project visuals lack impact? With Office Timeline, your presentations will grab attention. Transform complex data into stunning visuals with ease. Create polished timelines, roadmaps, and Gantt charts, all integrated into PowerPoint. Save time with reusable templates and customize slides effortlessly. Import your data directly to present clear project narratives that everyone understands. Stand out from the competition with Office Timeline's user-friendly design and seamless PowerPoint integration. Try Office Timeline for free today and elevate your presentations. Don't wait, start creating engaging visuals now.